Tired. I can't keep running on empty. Coffee isn't enough anymore. I need real energy. Let's go. Time to power up. Feel the surge. Locked in, nothing stopping me. Volterra energy. Turn your power on.
I never thought death would knock at my door when I was this young. Please.
On your knees.
This can't be happening. I just wanted to change things. It's over. I never thought death would knock at my door when I was this young. I never imagined it would end like this.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Ultrafilm Prompt Generator. This generator is created to allow you to generate prompts that you can use for UGC ads, films, and animations. The output format is universal, so you can use it for Veo 3, Sora 2, Kling 3, and Seedance 2. It gives you 4 buttons, and each of them allows you to create one kind of product. You can upload your product image, and it will generate the transcript of your ad. You can add the log line of your story and generate a random story. You can upload your script and generate content based on your script. You can also select any style of animation or video. For now, I will click Upload my film script, and then I will choose Scene 1, or the first scene. Let's see what it generates. As you can see, it generates 9 shots. Okay, it generates 9 of them. Now I will copy everything. I will remove the dialogue part where it says there is no dialogue. So I'll just copy all of this, and then I will go to Sora. I'll paste it here, select the correct format, like 50 seconds in landscape, and generate.
I never thought death would knock at my door when I was this young. Please.
On your knees.
This can't be happening. I just wanted to change things. It's over.
Now, let's do another one. I will click here to ask the user to upload the product image. I will enter energetic drink, inventor brand name. That's what I'm sending. It starts generating the brand, and then it generates the full transcript. Now I go to Sora again and click Generate. Let's see. As you can see,
Tired. I can't keep running on empty. Coffee isn't enough anymore. I need real energy. Let's go. Time to power up. Feel the surge. Locked in, nothing stopping me. Volterra energy. Turn your power on.
the quality is not very good because this is a cheaper model. But you can see it's working. The prompting is very good. In Seedance or Kling, you can get similar results in HD format, so the quality is better. So that's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorials. Let me know in the comments which AI model you want me to test next. Thanks for watching.
Remember, we have a YouTube channel where we upload new tutorial videos every 3 to 4 days. We also have a Patreon where members can access exclusive content, such as specialized prompts. If you join Patreon, you'll receive notifications about new uploads and gain access to additional resources. You can also follow us on Twitter and join our Facebook group. Links to these platforms are in the description. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube. Bye-bye.